Greece. Destination highlights, Scenic Drive and Monastery Visit. Awesome! Let's go see what it looks like out there. Yeah, let's go.
And we got it docked.
And we actually docked and we didn't have to do Tinder today. Look at that.
Amazing.
It's a very windy day. It's so pretty. Look at that. So, here we are. Getting ready for our excursion.
And Mykonos.
Mykonos. Kind of excited that tomorrow's a sea day.
It definitely feels like a go, go, go.
Definitely. It's been go, go, go 5 days now in a row.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So after this, we only have one more port for this cruise. Malta. But we have Mykonos today. Gorgeous. Look at that. More buses.
We can walk.
That, ladies and gentlemen, the rest of the islands are just a mere blip in the Aegean. We're the bee's knees, we are, and you're going to see why today. So my name is Olivia. They're houses. Perfect insulated tool, but also perfect limestone. Now, if you don't know it, limestone has antibacterial properties. Cover the insides and the outsides of your stone-walled house with this produce. In effect, you're disinfecting your house. And 8 a.m. because that is when the first cruise ship shall arrive. So you have that 1 hour between night.
Oh, wow. Valerie's gonna run to the water. Gotta get in the water.
First I gotta.
Yeah. Gotta get your feet in the water. Oh, my shoe. There goes Valerie into the water. Oh, very gravelly.
Turned around on us.
All right. We're making the water.
It's so pretty. It's so nice.
It
We're
is.
regretting not doing a beach day today. Oh, it's nice.
Very nice.
Look at the water. Put it down into the water. Not in the water, but don't get this kid. Wow. It's
Yeah.
rocky.
It
Nice
is
little
stony.
pebbles.
Oh, you want to take it? Very nice. Great place to put your feet in.
It's a little colder than that water.
That water felt really good.
It really was. It was a lot colder than I thought it was going to be.
Right?
I thought it was
Refreshing.
good. I would have swam to that.
Oh, for sure.
Stonier.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Through my husband. So beautiful. I'd come here. I don't think we can afford to live in Mykonos, so I don't think we can afford to live here. But it's beautiful.
It looks like. It's a wonderful psychological experiment.
Ooh, I know. Somebody laying down.
Somebody laying down. Oh, I've had some weird answers.
I
over the
bet you
years, I tell you. Weird answers. Somebody lying down. Now, the reason I'm pointing out that island to you, ladies.
Jim's gonna find some coffee. Mykonos coffee.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning. It's okay. Maybe I'll get. Is that good?
Sure.
Is it the best you've ever had?
No.
The best you've ever had in Mykonos?
Yes. And Mykonos.
In Greece?
No.
The coffee was better at Santorini. I didn't like my coffee there.
My coffee was better than
Yeah, that was a cappuccino. This is a frappe. Got a fresh orange juice. I think Jim almost went crazy. It's like, what? How much is that?
No, it was actually, it was to 5.50 and 8. Yeah, it was.
Oh, I thought yours was $8 too.
No, 5.50.
Oh,
And then
I
so
thought
like I thought maybe it would be around 12. So it was about $1 over more than what a euro more.
I thought yours was 8 too. That's why I told him to keep the change.
I thought it was like 6 for the
orange
juice.
was 8.
But oh, they have a beach day.
Oh, this is where they come then. Oh, so I overtipped. I thought yours was 8 and mine was 8. So I thought,
A little bit. But
oops. When in Rome. No, we're not in Rome
We're not in
anymore.
Rome anymore.
I don't know where we are sometimes.
we are in Mykonos.
Mykonos. Look at the beach. It's gorgeous. 21's beach day for them. This would have been a nice beach day. Picture this. Ready? Look at. Picture this. A week vacation. Laying on the beach here. Enjoying your frappuccinos. Orange juice. Drink out here. Swim out there. I might have to look into this resort for future reference.
Well, if it's a 500 euro umbrella and
Not this one.
no.
No.
12,
Yeah.
changing the time to quarter past so you have enough time to.
Oh.
Thank you.
It's Sunday. We get to drink instead. We should have gotten a drink. Jim, you should have gotten a drink. You should have gotten a
With
shot
Bailey's.
of Bailey's or something in that. That would have been awesome. Jim's amazed.
Yeah.
It's really pretty out here. I like it. Can we move here? Can we live here?
Sure.
We would have to work really hard, they said.
Yeah.
Or be rich. Be rich or work hard.
They even have a playground for the kids.
Really, I'm gonna look when we get out.
Cold the water here. But we are now heading.
Before class.
We are now heading to the little
These
village.
are so cute. Look at those.
Yeah, they look good for being.
When I was when I was a little kid, we used to have this discount store, and in the front of the store, they had like hundreds of these kind of things. Oh my gosh.
Wow. At the monastery. You want Pringle?
Do you want Texas
They're
barbecue?
cheaper than on the ship.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm buying.
Mhm.
Here's a pro move. Buy your snacks.
At the port. Well, not at
When
the
you're
port,
at,
but at a grocery store.
At a grocery store.
Because we got biscuits, with cookies, we're getting drinks, and then I imagine after this stop we're gonna go back to the port.
Want oregano flavored Ruffles?
Not my favorite flavor. Also, you can get interesting stuff.
No.
Okay. Arizona white tea with blueberries.